Cold email is dead. You've probably heard that before. Same people who said Facebook ads were dead, right before someone else scaled to 8 figures using them. Cold email isn't dead, but the way you're doing it might as well be. Let's be real for a second. You've bought the tools, you've tried other agencies, you've spent thousands on qualified leads that never reply, never convert, and never seem real. Your emails are going to spam, your reply rates are catastrophic, and deep down, you're starting to wonder, is it even possible to get cold leads that actually turn into clients? It is, but only if you understand what's really going on. Most people think cold outreach is a volume game. They treat it like a numbers game. More emails, more chances. Right? Wrong. It's not about sending more. It's about sending better. Because what's the point of sending 10,000 emails when 9,800 of them never even make it to an inbox? What's the point of getting opens if the message really reads like it was written by ChatGPT on autopilot? You're not getting ignored because people don't need your offer. You're getting ignored because they don't believe your message is real. That's the hidden problem. At Outbound System, we've rebuilt the entire outbound process from the ground up. Not just to send emails, but to make sure that the right message lands in the right inbox, written in a way that actually gets a response. We built our own proprietary infrastructure to beat the spam filters. We combine tech with human written copy that sounds like it came from a real person. And we didn't just plug into other people's tools. We built our own system, tested it, broke it, fixed it, and then scaled it. This isn't theory. This is what's working right now. We've helped a SaaS founder book 95 qualified sales calls without having a single rep. A software company closed 15 grand in just a few weeks. And a finance firm added over 200 grand in actual net profit. This wasn't some fluke. We've done it across industries that most agencies won't even touch because they think it's too hard. We make it work. Why? Because we only take on clients we know we can win for. We don't play volume games, we don't take shortcuts, and we don't guess. Everything is tracked, tested, optimized, and dialed in. And if you're thinking, well, we're already doing outbound, let me ask you something. Is it actually working? Or are you spending hours writing copy, setting up inboxes, buying domains, warming them up, managing tools, and still getting nothing but silence? That's not outbound. That's email janitorial work. Let us handle it. You focus on closing deals. We'll make sure the right conversations show up on your calendar. There are no contracts, no lock-ins, no big promises we can't back up. Just a proven system that consistently delivers results for hundreds of B2B companies and keeps clients coming back. Here's what you need to do next. Book a call with us. We'll then audit your outbound and then show you exactly what's broken and walk you through how we'd fix it. Worst case, you leave with clarity. Best case, you finally have a predictable, proven system that builds a pipeline while you sleep. We are already helping founders just like you build revenue engines that actually convert. So the only question left is this: are you going to keep guessing, or are you ready to install the outbound system your business has been missing? Book the call. Let's build it right.